Welcome to another episode of Snom TV. I'm Edwan and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and introduction to the D717. Great. So first off the bat, you will see this is our new phone that we're launching from Snom. You'll see the new look and feel about the boxes. I think this is also very good. You can see right off the bat some details of the phone right on the box. This really helps you with your warehousing and your storage. And this is a good new look for Snom as well. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be opening up the box for you. Inside the box, we're going to start off with a quick start guide. I'm going to show you the quick basics of how to get the phone set up, how to get it installed. Like standard on all Snom phones as well, we have the 3-year warranty. This is your warranty card. This is a good differentiator in the market as well for yourself. You can offer a 3-year warranty off the bat to your customer. Okay. I'm going to go inside the box. I want to show you the box inside. Basically, this is our new D717. And out of the box, you'll see it's got the great new look and feel of the Snom phones. So we've got a new design language in the Snom phones. You'll see the quality of the directional key here, the look and feel of the glass screen. And I think the new design language is really going across the range. And this is the idea with the 717, to bring this new look and feel as well as the color screen to the more entry-level phone. All right, so as I go into the box, pretty much standards. You've got your base, your handset all nicely wrapped up, as well as a nice curly cord for your handset. What I'm going to do is I'll quickly build up the phone so you can have a better look and feel of what it looks like. So I know a lot of my customers as well, you have a look and feel about the handset, you get them picking it up. Good weight, good feel, the way it feels in your hand, really, really good. This is something that tells you it's that German quality that you've come to expect from Snom. Okay. Everything clicks in quite simply. Easy setup. Headset goes in the back, and we've got our pretty much standard stand. So after you've put that in, you just basically slide the stand in, and off you go. What you'll see is you've got the really great look and feel of the phone in your hand, and with the new ambient light sensor built in right there, you'll see in the corner. As you can see, the nice panel, I don't know if I can mention in this video, but it's also really great for customization. So what we've got is, because of the glass screen we have here, we can do customization of your phone for your customer from very, very low MOQs. And I think the market is really reacting in a good way for that. So we can customize your phone from very low MOQs. Okay. So basically, when the phone starts up, what you're going to see is a really nice color screen you have. We have a really nice sensor, ambient light sensor. What's great about this is really going to give you the ability to save power in your environment. This will obviously dim and bright the screen depending on the light and the availability of light. And this will also then make sure that you save on your electricity bill. All of these phones come with a gigabit port in the back. It's got all of that quality that you expect from Snom, with the 3-year warranty and the build quality that you expect from Snom. Thank you for having a look at the quick unboxing of the D717. For more details, please check out our website. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you have access to all these videos, and please comment with any questions or queries. Thank you.